Hello guys, welcome once again to Traders Delight. How have you been? And I hope you are having amazing sessions in your trading, and I hope you are enjoying all the amazing videos I'm posting on my channel. I want to recommend that you go and watch as many as you can and then learn from it. At least I'm sure you have one or two things to learn from it. Today I want to share with you how the VIP group made almost 270 pips trading boom 1000. We've been holding this trade I think since yesterday or so, and it's been an amazing journey. As you can see, even I've not closed my trade yet. I don't know if anyone has closed in the VIP group yet, but we've been holding it because it's still showing signs of going downwards, and then we're still holding it right now. So let's confirm the number of pips, and I'll tell you how I went about placing the trade. So to confirm the number of pips, let's check this together. As you can see, that was 270, although it has gone up a little now. And right now, where it is now, it's around, let's check it. This is 220 right now. So we're still holding. You can see it's still going down. And I believe that this can be you can get as much of this value when you join the VIP signal group. You can come and join now. Okay, now why did I place this trade? You can see I made a trade that I made a video yesterday that we missed out on this 300 pips 301 pips movement yesterday, and I'm sure that should have even given you a sign that, oh, it seems the market is going to reverse, and definitely it is, because when I saw it, I saw a reversal sign here. So when I saw this and I realized, okay, when I started suspecting the reversal sign, it was from here. I looked at it here and I realized that, okay, the reversal sign is about to be confirmed. So I told my VIP group members that, guys, we are about to go in for a sell stop order, a pending order. So I told them, put a pending order on this particular place, so that once the market reverses in our direction, we take the trade. As you can see, we try as much as possible. We don't force the market to go in our direction. We only follow the direction of the market. And I kid you not, that is the best way to trade. You let the market tell you what direction you want to go, and then you just go with it. And that is what all the VIP members are enjoying. They are really, really enjoying this. So this can be yours for a very little token. I don't charge much, so just check the description below and then chat me up immediately and join the group. It's going to change your trading results forever. All right, so when I saw this, I told them set a pending sell stop here, and then we just waited, and then we had uh, our stop loss set. And for your information, we have a very, very powerful risk management system that I designed specifically to ensure that nobody who comes to the VIP group can blow their account. In fact, if you follow all the instructions of VIP, you can never blow your account. And I do this because I want everybody that ever be a part of the VIP group to be profitable. So, and then, although I don't claim to be 100%, we try as much as possible every single day to go as close to 100% as possible. Even when a trade is not going to our VIP, our target profits, there is a strategy which is part of all the trainings that you get when you come into the VIP group to take the best out of such a trade. It's also not necessarily that since your trade does not hit your target profit, it's not necessary that it should now be a loss. It can still be a profit trade. So all and several more these and several more you will learn when you join the VIP signal group. Okay, so we pick the trade, and you can see the trade is still going, and we are still in, and then We might decide to close or we might not. However, at least for now, we've made way over 200 plus in the pips, and depending on the lot size that you use, this can be a huge profit to you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. According to what you guys said, that you want me to be doing reviews like this, and I'll keep doing it. And please subscribe to this channel, like this video so that the video can go viral. The algorithm will make the video go viral if the likes increases. All right guys, take care, bye.